is UI image picker controller to how to open our image gallery in our phone. So let's start. So I have already adding image view and button action to click open gallery. So this is call to function, and this is add button action. This is image view, and second one is button. To run our app. So this is the default I have already created image view and button. So first of all, create image picker picker controller UI image picker controller. So image picker controller dot delegate as a self. So we are required image view delegate UI image picker delegate, and next one using UI navigation control delegate UI navigation controller delegate. They required to open our photo library. So delegate using delegate method image picker controller dismiss info. This delegate method, after select an image we call this function, this delegate function. In jumping this delegate method, this delegate method UI image dismiss picker media with info. So image picker dot editable allow editing is true, and image picker dot source type is photo library, and open using camera, but we are currently opening photo library, and present our view controller. So image picker animated true and not any completion handler required. So erase this, and this after select. So if let image info editing image as a UI image and not editable image, so else if let image info dot original image as a UI image, and after dismiss our gallery controller. So image picker dot image as a image, and this is copy and paste. So this is open image picker controller, and this is after selection call this delegate method to editable image and original image set in our image view controller image view. So run our code. Click to open this our library and select this image, this editing image, and choose this selected image. Click this change image, not editing. Click after this is editable, without editable. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. So thank you.